Hello, student. Our chapter is social responsibilities of business. In that, we were seeing social responsibilities of business towards various interest group. We have seen social responsibilities towards government, towards employees, towards consumer, etc. Now, our last topic is social responsibilities towards community or society or public in general. Now, corporate companies are part of the society and their business activities affect directly or indirectly to the society. So, companies should provide goods and services legally, efficiently, and profitably to society. It is the newest management strategies where companies try to create positive impact on the society while doing business. Now we are going to see what are the social responsibilities of business towards community, society or public in general. First is protection of environment. Business enterprise should take lead in solving environment issues. It is their responsibility to check the consequences of their action and also to protect environmental resources. Business house should ensure that their activity do not cause a statutory nonsense like producing smoke, noise, gases, odor, fumes, accumulating rubbish or light pollution which could affect someone's health. Developing clear-cut policies and program for purchasing goods, quality raw material, using latest technology, using scientific techniques of disposal and waste management are some of these things which business houses can do. So, a business organization should take all the possible measures to minimize pollution. Second, better and maximum use of resources. Business organization have enormous amount of human resources, natural resources, etc. And they are the trustee of these resources. So, business organization should make proper and optimum use of these scarce resources like fuel, water, land, etc. And they should not waste resources. Next is reservation for weaker section. Organization is expected to reserve certain position in their establishment for economically weaker section of the society to uplift the economically weaker section of the society. Like they can have some reservation for women, they can have some reservation for the poor people. One of the root cause of poverty is the lack of access to market and resources. Correct. Business can address this by providing skill training and financing options to disadvantaged people and communities. Skill training help the citizen to acquire ability to qualify for quality job. Financing help poor communities set up the cooperatives and enterprises to uplift them out of poverty. Fourth, development of backward region. The society require the business organization to be started in backward areas too. This will help in creating employment opportunities in the rural area as well as it will increase the purchasing power among the rural people. This will also lead to balanced regional development. As you know, in India, some areas are more developed as compared to other. But if the companies start business in the backward region too, it will help in development of those backward area also. It will also lead to increase in GDP and standard of living will also improve. Fifth, protest against anti-social activities. Business organizations should not participate in any kind of anti-social activity. They should abide rules and regulation of the country because sometime it happens that some business organization involved in smuggling or they have connection with underworld. Sometimes they bribe government official to complete their work. Some other example is like hawala transaction where they transfer money without government knowledge. Example of anti-social activity is Ramlinga Raju, chairman of Satyam Computers, committed fraud running into several thousand crores, inflicting heavy losses to the shareholders and lenders of the company. This is the criminal act. Raju is in jail and his company has been taken over by Mahindra. So these kind of anti-social activities should be avoided by the business houses. Sixth, financial assistance. Society expect donation and financial assistance for various social causes like eradication of poverty, for education, for upliftment of society, etc. So, society expect business organization to provide financial assistance for various programs such as anti-drug campaign, anti-noise pollution campaign, etc. There are some big companies which donate a lot. For example, Coca-Cola, they have pledged to donate 1% of its previous year's operating income. So in 2015, they donated $820 million and every year they donate 1% of their profit. Many big company provide financial assistance to educational institutions, hospitals, club, libraries, etc. for their operation. Seventh, prevent congestions. Business should avoid congestions of industries in the city by spreading industries in different places or locations. As far as possible, industry should be set up far away from city, or it can be set up in special industrial zones, so it will avoid adverse effect on residential areas, because these industry they emit sometime poisonous gases and also create lot of air pollution. So it's better if these industries are set up far away or little bit away from the main city. Eighth, employment generation. Business should provide large employment opportunities for all the section of the society. This will help in reducing the poverty in the country. More employment can be generated with more business, with the expansion and diversification of the business. This will solve the problem of unemployment, poverty in the society. This will also reduce antisocial activities by the people, because if the people are unemployed, they do anything for the money. So if the companies are able to generate employment, these things will be reduced.